Are you new to Python development and feeling stuck? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue, the error when trying to install pymssql. Let's get you back on track. I totally understand how frustrating it can be to hit a roadblock when you're just starting out. Many developers face this issue, especially when dealing with dependencies. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the situation. A user recently shared that they are using Python 3.6 and Visual Studio Code, but they are stuck trying to install pymssql. They have Visual Studio 2015 and 2017 build tools installed, but they still encounter an error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's causing this error? The message indicates that Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 is required. This is a common requirement for building certain Python packages, especially those that involve C extensions. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to resolve this issue and get pymsql installed successfully. To resolve the installation issue with pymssql, the user should first ensure that they have the correct version of Microsoft C++ build tools installed. This is necessary for compiling the pymssql package. After installing the build tools, the user should verify that the installation was successful. They can do this by checking if the required components are present in the Visual Studio installer. Next, the user should try to install pymsql again using pip. They can do this by running the same command in the terminal as before. If the installation still fails, the user may need to install additional dependencies. Specifically, they should ensure that FreeTDS is installed, as pymsql relies on it for database connectivity. Finally, after installing FreeTDS, the user should attempt to install pymsql one more time. This should resolve the issue and allow for a successful installation. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of Python was released in 1991? Just like Python, troubleshooting has come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who found a helpful resource. They suggest checking a website that offers pre-built wheels for pymsql. You can download the appropriate version for your system architecture and install it using pip. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced similar issues on Windows 10 with Python 3.6. They suggest downloading the correct version of pymsql from a specific link. After downloading, they executed a pip install command for the wheel file, which successfully installed pymsql. Now, let's see a response from a different user. One user faced a similar issue and tried various solutions, including installing Microsoft C++ build tools and adjusting environment variables. Ultimately, they found a helpful resource from Microsoft that provides step-by-step instructions for configuring the development environment for pymsql. Here's a pro tip: always keep your development environment updated. This can save you from many headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to install pymsql without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Python development.